smartphones. We pretty much all have them. Another thing we also have are streaming services. But sometimes streaming services get in the way of what you want to do. Maybe there's too many ads, or maybe there's something you don't want to listen to. It recommends you something that you just don't care about. Not to mention, if you're listening to something on your phone, you're gonna get interrupted by calls and stuff. And what if you just want time to yourself? Just relax, listen to music, and just have a good time. Well, that's where these doohickeys come in. The iPods. No one can interrupt your music when you're listening to one of these. You are absolutely isolated from everything else but your music. Now, both of these do work. This one kind of has a sad drive and doesn't really do much. And this one, I don't know, it's just kind of bulky. I don't really want such a big iPod. Which is why I got a Nano. I can't find my scissors. Oh well. Ripping open. Let me in. Oh, I feel a 30-pin cable in here. Is there a 30-pin cable in here? Oh my gosh. Wow, it does come with the 30-pin cable. Hell yeah. Let me see that iPod. Ooh, look at that. Product read 8 GB. Okay, let's plug the Nano in. Yes. It's a good start. This is a good start. Whoa, there's a bunch of music on it. Songs, how much music is on here? Whoa, wow. So many songs. Wow, this thing is packed. Wow, 1,198 songs. What? That's actually so cool. Give me the games. Oh, it thinks it's 2009. It's not 2009. Give me the games. I don't know what any of these are. iQuiz. Apple 2007. New game. I don't know any of these. $10 per question. Oh man, I got it wrong. I don't know what I'm doing. This is actually so cool. Let's listen to a song. We got some genuine Apple headphones here. Headphone jack down here. Alright, let's choose a song. Please tell me Buddy Holly is on here. If not, I'll take Billie Jean from Michael Jackson. It is not on here. Okay, I'll take Billie Jean now. There's Boom Boom Pow. Yeah, we're listening to that actually. Okay. It works, and it works flawlessly. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. It's packed full of music. This is great. Welcome to the iPod family. You are now gonna be my most used iPod. Welcome to the collection. So thank you all for watching this video. If you have enjoyed, give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.